Hi guys, hi and welcome to my channel. I hope that everybody is okay. So today we are going to make English spoken video, and actually what I'm doing today is I'm test riding my new quad log, and at the same time I'm testing an application called MyRide from Yamaha. Okay, what I have done. Yes, okay. I have attached my smartphone with the help of quad lock and a RAM mount that I have here. At the same time I have attached my GoPro and have opened the GPS feature that the GoPro has. So I would like to see what readings I'm going to have on my GoPro and compare them with the readings I will have on MyRide on the smartphone. Okay, you can see the readings here. Well, I was looking for an application to keep a record of my rides, and one of the choices that I had was MyRide. In order to make it work, first of all, of course, you have to have your GPS feature open in your cell phone, but at the same time you have to open your data connection, and that's because it downloads data, map data from the internet. This can be a disadvantage for me, since sometimes we don't have sufficient data for our cell phone. I found that this morning out, so I didn't know that. So this means I will make some more research about those programs. Well, it's a good opportunity to test my quad lock. I use a RAM mount for attaching my GoPro. Well, today I use some tape to do that, but usually I use a RAM mount, and I was looking for a mount for my cell phone. I checked the X grip from RAM mount, but for my cell phone it was not working very nice. So after reading and seeing some other videos from other guys on YouTube, I decided to try RAM mount. I have a Xiaomi smartphone, and for my type of phone, quad lock has not a case, so I just brought the universal adapter, you know, this one with the 3M tape, and hopefully I will not lose my smartphone. Well, I have it down for about 1 week, and until now everything is working okay. It's a little bit strange. How do you attach your cell phone on the mount? You have to find a specific angle in order to push it inside the mount and then lock it. Well, this can be a pain in the ass sometimes, but okay. From the other hand, comparing to the X-Grip solution, here I have all my screen available, as you can see, of the cell phone. And I don't use a silicone plastic rubber thing that X-mount needs. So, well, as you probably noticed, I'm living in the island of Crete, and roads here are not the best ones. So I think we will find soon out how it will behave on these road conditions. So if you want to record a ride that you make, you can use MyRide and some other applications that actually keep track of your rides, and you can share your ride with other riders and exchange information. But speaking the truth, I'm a little bit disappointed from the fact that it needs data connection. I prefer standalone application where you can download the map data and work without having to be connected on the internet. Of course, all these applications need constant power on your cell phone. This means that if you have to make a bigger ride than mine, then it's better to connect your cell phone here to a power source. As a power source, I use personally my power bank. I have a power bank, and it's okay. It's not connected today, as you can see. So I will do now, as I'm approaching to my office, well, I will do a check about the data that the GoPro has collected and compare it with the data, the GPS data that the cell phone has collected, and see which is more accurate. As you can see, for speeds until 100 kilometers, 110, 120, quad lock behaves pretty nice. Okay, I don't know, just write your questions and opinions below the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Well, usually my videos are in Greek, and but if I find a subject that I believe that it's more interesting for you, I will try to make it in English, or at least I will try to have some English subtitles on them. Don't forget to check also my other videos in the channel that are showing some parts of Crete. So be safe, ride safe, don't forget your equipment, your riding equipment, And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Until our next video, take care.